Just sign of that. What's up, babe?
Who's your baby?
You are.
Who's the wifey for lifey?
You are.
And who's the feed me baby?
Feed me, baby. Nice.
Like you. And not nice. And not nice.
And not nice.
Yeah. Spicy lobster. Some egg and lobster. Wait,
Feed me, baby.
open up, baby.
Why? Eat, baby. You know what this?
No, baby, you eat it.
Feed me, baby. You realize that side of the glass works as well, right?
I'm making it comfortable for you. Look, baby.
See them works well. I come on the side, they don't work. Babe, look.
Yeah, but I'm making it
Look, this is what you do.
comfortable.
Just turn the glass.
Yeah, but you know, because you pick up a lot of glasses.
You don't know how she did. Got the glasses.
This is my drink, but Addy's been introduced to it. Strawberry virgin mojito.
Babe, no means no.
But it's a tape, and you me a rape.
Wow.
At home we eat
What
rice
is-
with spoons.
Babe, what is?
I'm feeding you.
And when you ever done feed me? Yo, give me, get me a Jamaican.
Wait, what? Last one.
No, get me a Jamaican chopstick, which is a fork.
Red curry lobster with jasmine rice.
Jasmine, then am I right?
You can see the food in my mouth. You can see the food in my mouth.
Why you leave it?
I didn't.
You have to know if you eat rice with a chopstick. It's a unique skill acquired for years.
And it's got training wheels.
Training wheels.
This is how my man looks when he eats.
Who's an argument that?